Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video we are going to solve the equation for the integers. Now here we have a plus 2ab plus b equal to 8, and we have to find out the a plus b. So here we have a plus 2ab plus b equal to 8 from the question. So taking 2a common, we know that a is common, but we are taking the 2a, so in the bracket we will have 1 upon 2, because 2a into 1, that will be 2a upon 2, 2 will be cancelled and the a will remain. So plus b, 2a multiplied by b, that will be 2ab, plus b the same, equal to 8. So here we have 2a and half plus b, that is same, plus b. So we are adding 1 upon 2 on both sides. So plus half equal to 8 plus half. So 2a half plus b plus 1 b plus half equal to 17 upon 2, because 8 multiplied by 2, that is 16, plus 1 17 upon 2. Now here we have the two brackets, half plus b and 2a plus 1 equal to 17 over 2. So 2 multiplied by b, that will be 2b. So 1 plus 2b upon 2, and 2a plus 1 equal to 17 over 2. Now multiplying 2 on both the sides, then we have 2 into 1 plus 2b over 2 into 2a plus 1 equal to 17 over 2 into 2. So 2 will be cancelled, and here 2 will be cancelled. So we are left with 1 plus 2b into 2a plus 1 equal to 17. 2a plus 1 into 2b plus 1 equal to 17. Now here we know that 17 is the prime number. So the factors of the 17 are 1 and 17. It means 1 multiplied by 17, that is 17, and also 17 and 1. 17 into 1, that is 17. So minus 1 minus 17. So minus 1 into minus 17, that will be plus 17. So here minus 17 into minus 1, that is also plus 17. So we are keeping 2a plus 1 equal to 1 and 2b plus 1 equal to 17. So here we have 2a plus 1 equal to, then a will be, so 2a equal to 1 minus 1, that is 0. So a will be equal to 0. 2b plus 1 equal to 17. So 2b equal to 17 minus 1, that will be 16. So b equal to 16 over 2, that will be 8. So the value of b is 8, and a plus b as required in the question, so it is equal to 8. Now you will ask that why we are not keeping 2a plus 1 equal to 17 and 2b plus 1 equal to 1. So even if we are keeping these values, then the value of a will be 8 and the value of b will be 0. So again a plus b will be equal to 8. So we are picking only one pair. So the same we are doing over here. 2a plus 1 equal to minus 1. So 2a will be equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2, minus 2. So 2a will be equal to minus 2, and again we have a equal to minus 2 over 2, that will be minus 1. So here we have 2b plus 1 equal to minus 17. So 2b will be equal to minus 17 minus 1, that will be minus 18. So b will be equal to minus 18 over 2, that is minus 9. So here we have the values of a plus b equal to minus 1 plus minus 9. So we will have minus 10. So these are the values of a plus b. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.